You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.
Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. I'm coming on with another DIY to share with you all. And these are the items that we'll be using. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with this mason jar decor from the Dollar Tree. And I just painted the back black. And we're going to use the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled cut into strips. And we're just going to decorate our mason jar stand. I think it's a super cute kitchen decor from the Dollar Tree. It looks nice as it is. So we're just going to add a little bling to it and just liven it up just a bit more. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I really appreciate that you clicked onto the button to play and watch this video today. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you'll get notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you all. And now that we added our strips, we're going to add some of our bling gems going right around the top also. Now you know you can get these gems from Walmart, or if you're over here in Canada, you can get them from Dollarama. Now we have this little trinket tray here that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to bling it out again with our gems from Totally Dazzled, just going on the two sides. So now we're going to put our decor together, which I have two of the mason jar signs, yes, that I blinged out, and our trinket tray here, and I'm just going to use some hot glue and put them together. And again, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your project. Now for our next DIY, we have this pumpkin spice and everything nice sign from the Dollar Tree, and we have these nice ribbons also from the Dollar Tree. So we are going to take our nice little ribbons and cut them into strips, and we are going to attempt to make a bow. This is the first time I've been making a bow, you guys. I watched some of you ladies on YouTube on how they make the bows, and I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully it turns out good. So right now I'm just cutting the strips to the size, the length I think I want my bows to be. So now that we have our ribbons cut, we have to fold them in half. And now we're going to take each of our ribbons, hold them in the center, and I guess twist them or fold them together and hold them tight. Now I'm going to use a twist tie to hold my bow together. I know the ladies use something else, I don't remember what it's called, but I have a twist tie, so that's what I'm using. And now I'm cutting the ends, which I think I should have cut the ends before I put the bow together, but I didn't, so I'm cutting the ends now. This is my first try and the struggle is real. Anyways, now we're gonna fluff out the bows. Just fluff them out. And now I'm going to add a pumpkin into our bow. And I added the flower on the other side. One side with a little flower and this side with a pumpkin. And now we're going to take our bow and then just hot glue it to the top of our sign. Is our finished look, which I think it turned out very nice. I like how the bow turned out. For my first attempt, I think I did a pretty good job. Tell me what you think. And our pumpkin spice and everything, nice little sign from the Dollar Tree. Just add a little bit more to it and make it look very nice. A lovely piece of fall decor to go on your door, whether inside or outside of your home. It's a nice little decor for the fall season. And here is our next decor for the kitchen to hold our kitchen utensils. I think it looks very nice. Just took the 2 mason jar, what is it, like a little plaque from the Dollar Tree, painted them. Well, I painted the back part all black because the black was a brown color. And I painted it all black and then blinged it out with our gems from Walmart and our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And that's all it needed because the measuring kitchen measurement on the front of the design is pretty nice with the black and white. And so I just added the gems to make it stand out a little bit more, which I think it looks lovely. And here it is from this angle. And the other way. And I just placed one of the tall vases from the Dollar Tree inside and put my utensils in there. Yeah. It's absolutely lovely. So you could take out the jar and rinse it if it gets messy. No problem. I think it looks lovely. A lovely piece of kitchen decor for your home. If you're a diva on a budget like me, you see how easy it is to go buy items for $1, put them together, spruce them up, and have something lovely for your home. Tell me what you think of our kitchen decor for today. A nice, quick, and easy DIY. Just add a little touch to it and spruce up the items, and it makes a lovely piece of kitchen decor. And our pumpkin spice sign to go on our door. 2 lovely decors. 2 lovely decor ideas for you guys. Yeah, tell me what you think. Leave me a comment down below. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys today. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. And I will catch you on the next one.